Hello YouTube. Today we're gonna be talking about a house I'm building. It's basically a house for my two dogs. It's 6 feet by 3 feet. The house itself, and it has a little porch, a 2 feet by 6 feet porch. Basically, so my dogs are in a room, like a storage room, and they do a lot of mess there. They bring, I have my tools there and my stuff, and they grab something and they rip it apart. So one of them is a pit bull mix, and the other one's a German Shepherd mix. So I'm basically building a house and out of wood, 2x3s and plywood. Yeah, it's 2x3s and plywood. Basically, the base of the I put a beam every 24 inches. I know the construction standard, I believe, is 16. So since it's a dog house, I just went every 24 inches, which is 1 inch and then 2 in the middle. That's for the framing part. So the bottom is 6 feet wide by 5 feet long, or 5 feet. So it's 5 by 6. That's the base, including the porch and the house. And the walls themselves, they're 39 inches tall. And the roof, the doggy door itself, it's 15 by 20 inches, because my dogs are pretty big. And I raised it up about maybe 4 inches off the ground, so they have a little, so it compensates for their height. And I'm gonna do two different roofs on it. One's gonna be an incline to the side, and the other's gonna be an incline to the front. As you can see on the picture, originally I was gonna do an incline, just one roof, and it was gonna be inclined towards the front. But I thought about it twice, and the AC I'm gonna put on it. It's better if I mount it on the side. So that's why I went to the side instead of mounting it on the back and the rear. It would have been a lot easier for me to do that, but due to the circumstances and where I was going to be mounting it, I wasn't going to have any room to clean it or anything. So I put it on the side. Alright, that's the house with all the walls up, and the roof, the shingle roof. That's the two different roofs I put on it. Oh, and that's my dog Chickies, the female pit bull mix. And that's Pedro, the German Shepherd mix. Yeah, they love each other, so they get along real good. He actually came to my house and I rescued him off the street, so anyways, yeah, that's basically the house, with the walls up and the roof. I had basically some shingles left over from my house when they did the roof, so I used these, and the sidings too. That's the porch where they're gonna have a nice shaded area, so when it's cool they can hang out there. And that's the attic area where that's able to be lifted, and that's insulated on the inside with wire in there. Oh, that's the light. With wire in there, so they won't be messing with the AC or breaking it or anything. Hopefully that wire will stand their strength. But yeah, I put insulation all over this because even in the walls, the bottom walls have insulation, so the AC will be more efficient. It's a 5000 BTU AC, so yeah. That's the roof. Yeah, basically it's just plywood. And on the front and the side panels, I put that type of decoration sheets right there. And that's the inside. And there's my two dogs playing. They love each other. They get along real good. They'll fight every now and then, but it's nothing serious. Usually they'll just, back off. And cool down, and then they're usually very playful. Yeah. Yeah, all the beams are 24 inches. On the other side of the roof, or the lifted. Oh, that's the 2x3s, 2x3 frames on bricks. So I actually I'm gonna be putting 4x4 so I can lift the house a little bit more, to prevent moisture and the wood rotting and stuff like that. But yeah, that's the part with where the roof opens up. I'm actually gonna cut a hole there so I can put the AC in when I lift it. And that's how you lift it. I got hinges on the back part. I got 4 hinges because it's real heavy. Eventually I'll put some struts on the roof, so it'll help me lift it up. Well, that's it for today. Stay tuned for the second video I will be uploading when I did a little bit more progress on this. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.